So now you have your all together, all done. Right. I tend to put the elastic in first, then you can see how much you need. So let's find the opening. Okay. Very easy to choke it, really. There we go. There's the opening. It's well hidden. Right. That one there. It's through. I've still got it on there. So I'm just going to keep putting it so I can see how thick I want this to be. So I'm working from home, so I haven't got my large elastic, so this is, but I think this will probably still do. That does the job. That actually looks quite nice. Right, now to be able to put in your hair, you want it to be a little bit wider than this, I think. So just give it a bit more room so that you're able to twist it. You're able to twist it twice in your hair. So yeah, I'll have a look and see if I've got thicker elastic, and I'll be able to change this, because I think I need, this is too thin for this, because this is nice big scrunchie, which I'm loving. The hand one is perfect for that, so you don't need such a large one. It does the job, but I think we need a larger one. Fit for the large one now, which I've taken out to the office. I'll see if I can find another one